What's up, traders? Keon here. I'm going to show you how we made over $1,000 in 10 minutes trading NXTD. Now, before we get started with this video, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep pushing out that content. And if you haven't already, join our Discord group absolutely free for 7 days. You get access to all our trades and all our channels absolutely free. All right, let's get started. So NXTD popped up in our unusual option activity software that we use by unusualwhales.com. This is not a sponsored video. We just use their software and we love using their service. And so we looked at NXTD and it showed that there was 7.29 million calls to 102.8 thousand puts. So obviously they were very bullish on this stock. I honestly have no idea why. So I checked it out and there was over 943% above average on their volume. So I didn't really want to play the options only because they weren't as liquid. So I bought 2,000 shares at $4.26 and sold it at 4.7. And as you can see, I made over $1,000 in about 10 minutes. The reason why I bought this actually was because, as you can see, it tested the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart. Volume was still there. I bought the stock and it rode all the way on the 8 EMA. It sold at the top at the time at 4.77. Now, obviously, there's a thing called paper hands, and we all know what that means. And as you can see, it ran up all the way to 5.5, hit a resistance. After hours, hit 5.9. So there were a lot of profits that we could have made, but I can't be mad about making over $1,000 in 10 minutes. So that was the trade that took us literally 10 minutes to make over $1,000. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hope to see you soon. Thanks.